I would like to welcome everyone to this first day workshop after our LUCA project on the use of light and ultrasound for disease screening, in particular thyroid nodules. The workshop of today is about the synergy of light and sound for disease screening and therapy monitoring. And we'll give an update to technology and clinical studies with diffuse optics and ultrasound. Maybe we can switch to the second slide. This is the outline, the program of today. So after a brief introduction by myself, sorry, I forgot to present myself. I'm Davide Contini, Associate Professor in Physics at Politecnico di Milano. I will give an introduction and share this webinar. We will have three interesting talks. The first one titled Diffuse Optics, the Path Towards Clinical Translation by Dr. Mitchell Schnall, who is the Eugene P. Pendergrass Professor of Radiology and the Chair of the Radiology Department of the Perelman School of Medicine at UPenn. Dr. Schnall is an international leader in translational biomedical and imaging research, and during his career, he has worked across the interface between basic imaging science and clinical medicine. His work has led to the fundamental changes in the imaging approaches to breast and prostate cancer. And in addition, she has had a significant contribution and influence on emerging technologies such as optical imaging. Dr. Schnall has played a critical role in the effort to organize cancer clinical and translational imaging research in the US, and the list of his membership is very long. I just cite a few of them. He's chair of the American College of Radiology. He's member of the American Society of Clinical Investigation and member of the Association of American Physicians and the National Academy of Medicine. And is president of the Academy of Radiology and Biomedical Imaging Research. The second talk is titled Introduction to LUCA Project. The speaker will be Dr. Turgut Durduran, who is the leader of the LUCA project, and will explain the results and the project. Dr. Turgut Durduran is a CREA research professor and a group leader and the founder of the medical optics at ICFO since 2009, when he joined ICFO after his PhD in physics at UPenn. He's partner and coordinator of a large number of projects focused on application of biomedical optics to the real clinical world. His research as physicist contributed to push forward the theory and technology of diffuse optics. And Turgut's current focus is the measurement of hemodynamics and oxygen metabolism. And his dream, as he said a lot of time, is to see these devices becoming standard clinical equipment for doctors of the future. And the LUCA project is one step forward this goal. The last talk is about clinical results and perspective of the LUCA project. The speaker is Dr. Mireia Mora. She is a clinical investigator at EDIBAPS and associate professor at the University of Barcelona, and is a specialist in the endocrinology and the nutrition department at the Hospital Clínic of Barcelona. Her clinical and research activity is mainly associated to thyroid nodular pathology and thyroid cancer. I think that now we can give the floor to our first speaker. So Dr. Mitchell Schnall, speaking about diffuse optics and the path towards clinical translation.